Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? There he is. There's Daddy. Hello.
Hey there.
How are
What
you?
are we doing?
Vlogging.
You're vlogging. Oh, hello, vlogging.
I thought we would give a garden tour today.
Well, you have to wait a few minutes. I have to go and do something in about 4 minutes.
What do you have to do? Laundry?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we'll wait.
So the garden can wait.
Okay, we'll see you in a few minutes. Jamie, you're a mess today. You need a grooming. Show the people. I don't have time because I have been dyeing yarn. So this weekend you're getting a bath. Yeah, we're getting a bath this weekend. Look at the tail. Who's coming this weekend? Emmy. Emmy's coming. Emmy's coming to visit. Oh boy.
Okay.
So you're done with your task?
Yeah.
Cool. Finished all the laundry?
Hmm?
Finished all the laundry?
Yes.
You like doing the laundry. You won't let me touch it. All right, so you're going to give us a tour?
For what?
A garden tour?
I don't know. You have your walking sneakers on?
Our garden is so beautiful this year.
It's small.
It's very small, but
It'll take all a few seconds to show
I know,
it.
but I want you to talk about it. So let me flip this. Okay. Garden tour. Tell us, how did you do our garden this year?
What?
You did all of this.
Yeah,
Explain it.
I just did it. Put things where I
Okay,
like to
so
put 'em.
show us. What's down here?
Part of an old chimney
Mm-hmm.
and some fairies and
We
a
have
bunny.
some fairies. They have names. Do you remember what their names
No.
are?
We're getting too many.
Yeah.
I got
Okay.
some new wind chimes.
We got wind chimes. We got this beautiful,
A
what is it,
hummingbird
a
and a bluebird.
hummingbird, and we have
And
a
new
bluebird.
lights. In case you're wondering what those things
And we
are
got
hanging.
lights, which is really cool. And Rich lights it up at night. Tell about your fountain over here.
Oh, fountain. Oh, I hope it don't fall on the ground.
So he's got little fairies on
Little
the
fishing
fountain.
boy there. Come on.
And we just got a light for it, right?
Yeah.
It really looks nice at night.
Yes. Changes colors.
I'll get a shot of that at night. Yeah, it changes colors. So
There's an old antique birdhouse.
it's an old birdhouse.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Step
cool.
on me up now, whatever you do.
I won't. And then in the garden,
The fairies and stuff all over the place.
Rich just puts fairies here and there.
That piece of wood I found when we were walking the dog, I thought it would look good in the garden.
Yeah, this piece
Picked
of
it up
wood.
and shoved the fairy in it.
Yeah, we found it while we were walking, and he kind of just put the fairy in there. But this
And then there's our jug with a little gray gnome coming out. And somewhere hidden in all your flowers is the fairy door that goes into fairyland.
Oh, it's in my flowers. Yeah, we have. It's down here. It's yeah.
You have to come over so you can see what's in it.
Oh yeah. So this is the.
This is Gnome Man's Land. In case you haven't figured out, there's a lot of gnomes in here.
There are a lot of gnomes. They're so cute. Look at their pointy little hats.
They light up the funny little hats.
And we've had this crane for a few years now, and he kind of stays.
I can't get him out without ripping up ivy.
Yeah, we can't get him out of the garden, so.
And every year the hornets make a big paper nest up his ass. So I have to shoot him up with bee killer.
Yeah. So that's it from the other side. It looks
by
so
the way,
pretty.
the cat must have been out and knocked over our yellow gnome. And when I picked him to put him upright, his leg was off.
The yellow gnome?
Yeah.
He broke already?
Yeah. I kind of like glued it, but then I can hold it.
You should return him.
I ain't gonna do that. Just say we dropped it and all. So a cat knocked it over. Give us the money back.
So anyway, this is our area. We sit here all the time.
I'm gonna get those wood gnomes that were standing next to the house. Show your flowers.
Okay.
How big they got.
All right, so in the beginning of the season, I bought these 2 giant vases, and I decided to plant a garden. And I will put pictures in of the before when I planted them in June. And they got huge. Oh my goodness. And I absolutely love them. This is Coleus. This is just ornamental grass. I think these are zinnias on the left. I had petunias right here, but I ripped them out because the slugs were eating them and they were a mess. I never have good luck with petunias. But I put mums in there and they should be blooming in a few weeks. This one has Coleus again, a different color ornamental grass, and marigolds. And again, I put some mums in there. And these are beautiful. I absolutely love them. They really added a lot this year, didn't they?
Wouldn't mind getting one for over on the side of the deck.
Yeah, we'll have to get another one next year. Because the reason why I did this is because this gets full sun. So the flowers just did fantastic in full sun. Over here, I have to have all shade plants, like the ivy, the impatiens. These impatiens over here get partial sun, so I have sun patience. And yeah, it works. It really worked this year very nicely. And we have this beautiful weeping cherry tree that provides us with lots of shade.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich.
And that is our garden tour. Thank you so much.
It's over. You take your sneakers off now.
So, don't forget, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. I usually don't do vlogs. I will be doing more vlogs at Vlogmas, whether that are mostly inside.
August.
Vlogmas.
Oh, Vlogmas.
Yeah, that's in
So you
December.
said August.
No.
Say August is gone.
So I'm just going to end this garden tour, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about my dyeing.
Oh, good. Which doesn't involve me.
No, it
Bye.
doesn't. Okay, so I have some things behind me here that I just wanted to show you. I never really talk about how I dye yarn or whatnot, and I thought this might be interesting for the vlog. So today, I said to Rich went food shopping today. And I told him that we needed white vinegar. And I use 2 things as a mordant when I dye yarn. A mordant is the substance that helps the dye stick to the yarn. So if you didn't put a mordant in, then your dye would run. Have you ever bought dye? Have you ever bought yarn that ran very easily or a lot? Maybe the mordant wasn't enough. So I use 2 things. I use citric acid, and that's the brand I use. I just get it on Amazon. It's also good for cleaning your Keurig and your teapot. I just put a teaspoon in my Keurig, cleans it out perfectly once every 6 months. And yeah, it's the same as what you're going to buy. If you're going to buy the fancy Keurig cleaner, that's what that is. It's citric acid. You can also clean your Keurig with white vinegar as well, but I love the citric acid. I think it works much better. So, what happened today was I was dyeing some sparkle yarn. So I have some sparkle yarn as a part of the Advent calendar sets. I think you'll get about 5 minis that are sparkly. I love it. It's one of my favorites. I don't know if you can see the sparkle. I'll put it right up to the lens. It's hard to see on the white base, but anyway, I was dyeing, this is a silver sparkle, so I was dyeing this today, and I don't like to use citric acid with the sparkle yarn because it still is sparkly when you're done, but it's just a little bit duller. A couple times I've had it burn the yarn, so I don't use it anymore. Burn the sparkles right off, so I don't use it on sparkle yarn anymore. So I use white vinegar, and I ran out. So I told Rich, I said, can you get some at the grocery store? Well, you know, the stores are hit and miss still a little bit nowadays, and there was none today when he went food shopping. So I ran out, and the corner store, Stewart's, down the corner, we have a lot of them in New York, had white vinegar. So I was able to dye my sparkle yarn today. So yeah, I dyed a pot of this, and I will show you that. I'll show you a little sneak peek. I've been doing a lot of different dye techniques for the Advent skeins. You know, I've been doing the tie-dye method. I've been doing I did some solids this year, which is awesome for anything really. Marling or heels and toes. I mean, I have some beautiful solid colors. I did some hand painting. I did some dip dyeing. I did a wide variety of dyeing, so you guys could enjoy a wide variety of yarn. I did some low immersion dyeing, kettle dyeing with speckles. So it's been a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying dyeing the Advents this year. It's kind of nice that I'm kind of doing it all in the same week or 2 weeks. And as of today, I am halfway finished. So I did 3 colors a day for the last 4 days. I'm halfway finished. Next week I'll do another 4 days and I'll be done. So I'm super excited. There are some still left in the shop, so if you're interested, go to my shop and you can purchase them there. You get a bag, 24 minis, and an optional full skein that matches the bag. So yeah, thanks for joining us on this fun little outdoor vlog today. So yeah, I will see you next week with some more snippets of content that I gather. Cheers.